we talk about mobility in the city, we talk first about a human activity. So it's all about moving ourselves or moving our goods. So we need to transform mobility in something that will be enjoyable, sustainable, and affordable. So the 3D Experience platform brings a lot of value for city mobility. We want to create an environment which is collaborative so that all the different actors, the mobility manager, but also the operator and the citizen themselves, find value in getting information about how is the mobility ecosystem and infrastructure running as of today and what it is going to be in the future.
Well, let's take an example of someone who lives in the suburbs and has to suffer every day in traffic jams. And a city wanting to bring in new technology to improve the situation. So this new technology could be an autonomous vehicle. But how on earth is the city going to be able to simulate and understand the impact of this new technology, this autonomous vehicle, in their existing infrastructure? Well, they're going to have to understand how big the vehicles are going to be. They're going to have to understand how many charging stations they're going to put in. So they need to have an idea of the number of people who are traveling. They need to have an idea of a whole host of different factors. So the 3D Experience platform allows city mobility managers to understand the data that they have at their city, to understand the human experience that people will have. From a business point of view, they can collaborate, they can offer on a marketplace their technology so that the city can really understand the value of the technology. And what we're going to do for the citizen is to allow them to be heard, to allow their voice to be truly used to continually improve the mobility service that the city can offer.
If we look in the future, we have seen a lot of startups that are starting to create new kind of mobility services like ride sharing, car sharing. So I think the future of mobility in the city will be taking the best of all these different services and making sure that the city brings a lot of value for their citizens.